Welcome to AccuWeb.Cloud video tutorial. Today, we will see how to transfer an environment from one account to another from the AccuWeb.Cloud Dashboard. Environment transferring means you can move any environment to another account on the same platform, but both sides need to confirm. Reasons. This feature can be helpful for different situations, such as moving all your projects to a new account with a different email address, transferring work projects to another developer's account when someone leaves the company, moving a ready-to-use environment to the company's main account from a personal testing one, restoring environments at an old deactivated account without reactivating it. Conditions. Any environment, whether it's stopped or running, can be transferred from any account, even deactivated ones. But the account you're transferring to must meet these requirements. It can be of any type, like beta or billing, except trial accounts. Its status should be active, not suspended or deactivated. It should have enough quotas, limitations to add the environment. Result. When you transfer the environment, nothing changes. The new owner gets it exactly how it was with the same apps and custom settings. Any future charges for the environment will go to the new owner. Transfer the environment from one account to another. First, log into your AccuWeb.Cloud Dashboard. Select the environment which you want to transfer or move to another account. Here, we have selected the environment WordPress.us-AccuWeb.Cloud as an example. Then click on the settings icon. Once you click on it, the setting window will open below. In the settings window, go to the Change Owner option and click on it. In the Environment Transfer section, go to the Email field and type in the email address of the account where you want to send the environment. For example, we used nick@AccuWebHosting.com. Then click on the Send Request button. If the destination account exists and meets all the requirements, you'll get a message saying that the request has been sent. If you change your mind and want to cancel the request, click on the Cancel Request button. The person you're sending the environment to will get an email with a link to confirm the transfer. Here, you can see that we have received a request with a link to confirm the transfer. While waiting for confirmation, the environment will show a special icon on the initial owner's dashboard. Once the other person confirms the transfer by clicking the link in the email, the environment will disappear from the initial owner's dashboard and appear for the new owner. You can see that the environment is transferred to nick@AccuWebHosting.com. The initial owner will get an email notification confirming the successful transfer. That's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Click on the thumb to like our video. Don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification of new videos.